Hi, my name is Clay Freeman. Welcome to this tutorial on how to use AutoCAD 2017. In this video, I'm going to introduce you to using object snaps in AutoCAD. So first, we need to locate how to turn these on. Down here at the bottom, you see what I call like the workspace behavior menu. Everything on this menu controls the way that the workspace behaves. And if you pan all the way across, somewhere in the middle, you should have this little box with a green dot on the corner. And if you mouse over it, it says snap cursor to 2D reference points. And then underneath that, it says object snap or O snap. Now it's highlighted white rather than blue, which means it's off. I'm going to begin by clicking this little drop down arrow, which gives me a menu. And you'll see I have 4 items checked: endpoint, midpoint, center, and intersection. So these are the object features that I can snap to. So I'm going to begin by clicking on this icon, having it highlight blue. That means that my object snap is on. Okay? But you'll notice that nothing's really happening except for things are highlighting. To use object snaps, I need to use a tool like the line tool or some other tool. Okay, so now if I get in close, you'll see I get this little green box. And if I hover on it for a minute, it tells me that's an endpoint. Okay, so now I'm snapped to the endpoint if I wanted to click there. Or I could snap to the midpoint, which is indicated with this green triangle. Or I could snap to the center of my circle, which is indicated with a green circle. Now to get that, I had to actually highlight over the edge of the circle. And finally, if I wanted to snap to an intersection, I could highlight over here. Now right now it's giving me a green box to indicate the endpoint. The intersection would also be a green X. So right here there's just some redundancy. So once I've got it snapped to, or once I've got it highlighted, all I have to do is click and voila, I have snapped to that particular point. All right, that's how to use object snaps. Thank you for watching. As always, your feedback is appreciated. And if you would like to see any other tutorials, please let me know what you'd like to see and I'll get it out for you.